Welcome to qnawire.
So let's remember that molality is basically the mass or the number of moles of my solute over the mass of my solvent. In other words, how much moles of solute do I have in 1 kilogram of the solvent? So first I need to calculate the moles of my solute. So first I calculate the mass of my solute. I'm given the concentration in mass per volume, which is 1.5 grams per milliliter, and I'm told that I have 2.66 milliliters of it, and so the milliliters cancel out. And I get 4.2294 grams of my solute. And so we need to convert that into moles, which, as you know, is mass over mR. The mR of my compound, I have one, is the sum of the atomic masses. I have one carbon with an atomic mass of 12, plus 4 chloride atoms, the mass of 35.5, and so I get 154, and the units for molecular weight are grams per mole. And so the number of moles is going to be my mass, which from the first step is 4.2294 grams over the mR, which is 154 grams per mole. As you can see, the grams cancel out, and I get 0.0274 mole. All right, and now for the next step, so I got this, I need to find the mass of my solvent. So I know that for my solvent, I have 76.5 milliliters, and the concentration in mass per volume is given as 1.33 grams per milliliter. So that's simply 101.745 grams, which is in kilograms 0.102 kilograms. And so molality is simply gonna be the mass of the solvent, which was, the number of moles of the solvent, which is 0.0274 moles, over the mass of my solvent, which is 0.102, and I'm going to report my answer to 3 significant figures because all my information in the questions were given to 3 significant figures, and so the answer is 0.270, and then the unit, of course, is moles per kilogram, which is the same as a small m.